Hello everyone, it's a sad day. This is the Froggie 135 frame from my RC Mart, and as you can see, it's a little bit worse for the wear. We've got the RCX 1304 5000 kV motors, got the HGL RC F428 stack, Eachine TX02, and unfortunately I had too much fun with this in a short period of time, and now it's ended. I thought normally I wouldn't post something like this, but there's a couple of things that I learned about this. So these motors you'll find on the my RC Mart website. They're not rated, or they give a warning about running them on 4S, but that warning is on 3-inch props. I haven't run this very much, so I would say there's still some caution, but I know Ciotti FPV has run them quite extensively, and he's the one that basically got me to try them out. But unfortunately, with these sleek arms and in my hands, I found a way to really bash up this arm, and then it hit the pod and it snapped. And I was always kind of worried about these like 3D printed standoffs. You can see part of this one's even missing. This one up here snapped off. The one in the back is still okay. But I think if you find yourself in a situation where racing something that can run 4S, 2.5-inch prop, this is a pretty good combination to at least win some races, because this might just be the fastest micro outside of anything in the 1400 series class I've ever flown. And these 1304s can mount on standard 1100 series size motor mounts, so you can run these on things that you might run 1106s, 1105s, 1107s, 8s, whatever you come up with. I haven't run in the 1108s, but also something with this, it doesn't burn through your battery quite like you might find with some of those 1107s, 1108s. So the short and long of this is the frame is a bit frangible. Maybe we can get by if we firm up this standoff with something that's metal or tougher. But you know, when we crash, something's got to give. We can only create so much rigidity, and it's always seemed to be the direction everything is headed, except for in the case of the pocket quads, which is a 3D printed and it's flexible quad frame. If you haven't seen that, you might want to give that a look. It's a very unique, different build, ultra light, but still sporty and fun to fly. I'll put that review right up here. But I thought I would give you this information about this because, you know, when you break things, sometimes that information is just as valuable, but something else. I think more people, especially if you're an enthusiast and you're wanting to fly fast and you're not necessarily wanting to stay on 3S, this might be a combination you want to look for. Just find yourself another frame. Let's roll some flight footage. Unfortunately, this flight footage isn't great, but it'll give you some ideas. The tune's pretty close. I won't say it's spot on by any stretch. I would need a few more flights, but I was having so much fun, and then I smoked a tree, as happens sometimes in my backyard. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, or otherwise, please leave those in the section down below. Let's take a look at that flight.